Hi everyone, this is VietFan, and this is my video for month 9 platform delivery for the Masters of Media Design at Full Sail University. For my project, I decided to select eco-friendly transportation and selected the Mitsubishi i-MiEV for my rebranding campaign. Mitsubishi was a top competitor in this electric market, but has fallen in recent years compared to the Nissan Leaf, Ford Focus Electric, and other electric cars like the Spark EV and the Honda Fit EV. The car is based on the Japanese Mitsubishi i, and the name MiEV stands for Mitsubishi Innovative Electric Vehicle. It's kind of strange to have Mitsubishi in the name twice, being a little redundant. So I decided to change the name to the Mitsubishi Reach. The new name invokes a concept of possibilities. The ability to reach destinations that weren't normally possible with electric cars without constant need of recharging. The current i-MiEV was redesigned larger to fit in the American market, so I thought another redesign from a subcompact to a compact or mid-sized car would allow for a larger battery, going from the 16 kilowatt hour to a 32, and coupling that with Mitsubishi Electric's solar cell paint, using the car's entire surface as a secondary recharging option to help extend the car's range. Just changing the name and design of the car isn't enough to build the brand's new image, with the target audience being current EV owners and potential EV drivers from ages 25 to 55. The changes in regard to its color palette, typeface, and imagery used will reflect the urban lifestyle. A refreshing color palette inspired by graffiti art and street art will help differentiate the brand from the muted and limited contrast of current electric cars. The use of a typeface that has clean lines similar to its current type, but different enough to set itself apart from the competition. And the use of imagery that combines the urban lifestyle and various scenery that invokes, the concept of vitalization. A redesign of the media assets will also help create a cohesive look and feel of the new brand. The use of electronic media such as websites, digital ad banners, and commercials, and better incorporation of social media like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and guerrilla marketing will help increase the brand's awareness of the Mitsubishi Reach. The new website will feature scrolling that's horizontal instead of vertical. That builds the idea of traveling, of moving from one area to another area. A Reach vehicle will be placed in the lower part of the website with a city scene in the background, and as you scroll, the background will move and new information will populate in certain areas, giving you facts and information about the Reach. Since the car also uses solar power, incorporating how much sunlight based on the location into the web design will build on the concept of solar recharging. A color fill of the car would represent the percentage or amount of sunlight that's currently available in your current location. That use of a dynamic image will be used in the digital ad banners as well. And the commercials will reflect that range of the Reach in various situations that's not possible currently without the need of recharging. This guerrilla marketing campaign will change current transit stops into physical representations of the car. The transit stop will also use the same recharging to operate the digital ads, infographics, and allows users to charge their electronic devices while waiting for their bus. Networks are also a great way of connecting the brand to its target audience. Currently right now, Mitsubishi doesn't incorporate the Facebook and Twitter cohesively in their current homepage, and designing it to where the Twitter and the Facebook comments could be viewed on the homepage and update with new bits of comments and new strings of information. That way users are always getting the most up-to-date data that's available. The YouTube page of the Mitsubishi Reach will also have a series of video diaries for test drivers of the new car. That way it allows viewers to access another perspective from real people versus getting information from what the brand is trying to portray. with these changes to the Mitsubishi Reach, I'm hoping that it'll enlighten consumers about Mitsubishi and their long history in the electric car market, as well as attract potential new consumers to an exciting new market.